Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious cold green tea at home. First, gather your ingredients: quality green tea leaves and cold, filtered water. For the cold brew method, combine 1 tablespoon of green tea leaves with 8 ounces of cold water in a pitcher. Place this mixture in your refrigerator and let it steep for a minimum of 6 hours, or even overnight for a stronger flavor. This gentle steeping process extracts the tea's essence without bitterness. If you need cold green tea faster, try the hot brew and chill method. Start by brewing your green tea as usual, using 1 teaspoon of tea leaves for every 6 ounces of hot water. Steep for 2 to 3 minutes to avoid bitterness. Once brewed, immediately pour the hot tea over a generous amount of ice in a heat-safe glass. This rapid cooling locks in the fresh flavor and creates a refreshing iced tea in minutes. Once your cold green tea is ready, you can easily enhance its flavor. Consider adding fresh lemon slices or a few sprigs of mint for a refreshing twist. For a touch of sweetness, stir in 1 to 2 teaspoons of honey, agave nectar, or a simple syrup. You can also infuse your tea with fruit slices, such as orange or peach, by adding them during the steeping process or just before serving. Experiment to find your favorite combination. Proper storage ensures your cold green tea stays fresh and delicious. Once prepared, store your tea in a sealed pitcher or bottle in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. For your dry tea leaves, always keep them in an airtight container, away from direct sunlight and moisture, to preserve their quality. Remember, avoiding oversteeping is key to a smooth, non-bitter flavor, whether you're cold brewing or hot brewing.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.